Let's solve a question on work and time. Work and time is part of the arithmetic module and this is application of ratio. Work and time is a chapter which is application of ratio. So let's see the question. Here you have question in front of you. You can pause the video and try attempting the question by yourself or we can solve this together. Question is, Arun, Varun, Tarun, there are three people, they are working alone. If they work alone, they can complete the task in given time respectively. Okay. They change, okay, they charge these amount per day respectively. Okay. So each one of their individual time is given, their the how much they charge per day, that is given. Even if they employed for partial day, it doesn't matter. Even if they are working half day or something, they are going to charge this entire amount. Okay. On any given day, any of the worker may or may not employed to the work. So it's not necessary that all of them have to work. Okay. If the task need to be completed in 10 days, 10 days or less, see 10 days or less, okay, then minimum possible amount in rupees required to pay for the entire task. Okay. Now, here what we'll do is, first of all, we will understand if you want to keep the amount less, if you want to keep the what? Minimum possible amount. That means the total kharcha on that, total expenses on the task, you have to keep it less. For that, let's find out who is charging how much to complete the task. Okay. So let's take their initials. So if we talk about Arun, so Arun is working for 24 days and he is charging how much? 2000. So he is charging 2160. So he is for 24 charging 2160. Did you understand? 24 days and he is charging how much? 2160 per day. So how much total, if only Arun is working, then how much total it comes to? It comes to 51840. Okay. Then you have the next step, who is Tarun. Okay, so Tarun is working and completing the task in 21 days, but he's charging how much? Higher than that. So he's working for less time, but he's charging more. So let's see how much total he's charging compared to A. Or so it's 50400. If you see, less than Arun. Okay, so to complete the task, let's not talk about only the time, but to complete the task, Tarun is overall cheaper compared to Tarun is cheaper than Arun. Now, if we look at Varun, so Varun is a person who is completing the task in the least time, 15 days. And if you get to see the charges, what he's charging here is 2160, which is equal to Arun. Okay. So, but total how much is he quoting? Total he is saying that, okay, I can complete the task in 32400 rupees, 32,400. Okay. So you can see Varun is equally efficient, equally charging equally as Arun, but Varun is faster because Varun is able to complete the task in the least time. So you tell me, who is the most affordable person amongst all three of them? Obviously, it is Varun because Varun कम से कम समय में with the equal charges as Arun is able to complete the entire task, and to complete the entire task he is only charging what? 32,400. Okay. Now अभी lesser time में complete करना, ऐसा करते हैं हम लोग इसको. Let's see if we can so let's give a free hand to Varun. Okay, but we also have to keep in mind that the work has to be completed in 10 days or less. तो एक काम करते हैं, 10 days तक अगर वरुण काम करता है तो कितना काम कंप्लीट कर पाता है. लेट्स सी दैट. ओके. नाउ वेयर द मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर मेकिंग मिस्टेक हियर, दे आर कैलकुलेटिंग द टाइम टेकन बाय ऑल ऑफ देम टू कंप्लीट द जॉब. नहीं, आपको अमाउंट चीपर रखना है. आपको इट्स नॉट योर, आपको टाइम नहीं बचाना है, आपको पैसा बचाना है. सी हियर यू डोंट हैव टू सेव टाइम, यू नीड टू सेव मनी. दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. नो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस. Question said minimum possible amount. Did you understand this? So if we look at the minimum possible amount, let's allot the work to Varun only. Lekin Varun will not be able to complete the entire task in 10 days, right? Or less. So let's focus on 10 days because as I said, हमें time नहीं बचाना है, पैसा बचाना है. let's not focus on completing the work in lesser than 10 days. Let's focus on paying as least as possible. तो वरुण को अगर हम लोग पूरा काम देते हैं, so वरुण in 10 days, वरुण, okay, before that we have always learned in the work and time that we need to assume work. Before we start, we need to assume work. अभी चाहो तो आप यहाँ पे you can take the work as LCM of all the time given here, या फिर simple यहाँ पे 1 से ही करते हैं. Let's not make it messy. So let's say total work is 1. Now Varun in 15 days, how much work he will be able to complete? So sorry, Varun in 10 days, how much work he will be able to complete? So 15 days mein Varun is completing the entire work. So Varun in 10 days will be able to complete what? 10 upon 15, yeah, right. In 1 day he will be able to complete what? 1 upon 15. Total work is 1 and the time he is taking is 15 days. So in 1 day his efficiency is 1 upon 15. So in that case in 10 days it should be into 10. So it's 10 upon 15, which you can say 2/3. Okay, 2 by 3. So basically out of one work, out of total one work, he is able to complete only what? 2/3 of work. So bacha kitna kam? After Varun work for 10 days, how much work is remaining? So you will say, okay, in that case the balance work is equal to total work minus the work done. Okay, that comes to what? 1 by 3. This much work is remaining. Now, to complete this much of work, to whom you can appoint now? Should we appoint A or we should appoint T? Should we appoint A because A is charging least per day? No. आपको पर डे का नहीं, आपको टोटल देखना चाहिए. टोटल ओवरऑल कौन चीपर है आफ्टर वरुण? सो टोटल ओवरऑल चीपर कौन है? इट इज तरुण. ओके, अरुण पैसा कम चार्ज कर रहा है बट टाइम ही इज टेकिंग अ लॉट, करेक्ट, कंपेयर टू तरुण. सो आप टोटल के ऊपर फोकस करो, टाइम इनटू मनी, टोटल टू कंप्लीट द जॉब हाउ मच, इतना रखना है. ठीक है. नाउ इफ तरुण टोटल इज 50400, ठीक है, तो तरुण को हम लोग काम देते हैं, पैसा हम लोग बाद में कैलकुलेट करेंगे. ओके, सो इन दैट केस Tarun will be able to complete the remaining 1/3 of the work in how much time? So time, if you remember how we learn work and time formula, work, time, efficiency, or efficiency into time, work upon work, efficiency, time. So if we need to calculate time, we need to see what? Work by efficiency. So what is Tarun efficiency? Tarun efficiency to complete 1 day work, how much work will he be able to complete? Efficiency of Tarun, it is, किसी का भी efficiency होने दो, that is work per day. So Tarun is able to complete the work in 21 days. Now if work is 1, that means Tarun's efficiency should be what? 1 upon 21. इसमें तो कोई confusion नहीं है. We have studied this a lot in the concept classes, right? Now with this efficiency, if remaining balance work is 1 upon 3. If Tarun tries to complete that 1 upon 3 work with the efficiency of 1 upon 21, then it is denominator become numerator. So this is 21 upon 1 upon 3, which is this by 3. So this become what? 7. Yeah. So Tarun basically takes what? 7 days to complete the remaining work. अभी आंसर आया नहीं. पहले तो आपको ये समझना होगा, it is not like Varun completes the work in 10 days and then remaining work Tarun is continuing to work. No, they can work simultaneously also, right? Okay, we need to find out the total amount, total expenses. We need to find out what? Total cost or total expenses, right? So total cost will be equal to what? Varun worked for 10 days. Yeah, remember, Varun worked for 10 days. We have assumed only for 10 days. And Tarun is working for what? 7 days, right? So amount spent will be 10 days for Varun. Varun is charging how much per day? Per day charges for Varun is how much? 2160. So we will say this is 10 into 2160 plus Tarun who we want to work only for 7 days because उतने में काम complete हो जाएगा, right? So Tarun with 7 days per day, how much Tarun is charging? 2400. So that is multiply by 2400. Now what you need to do is you need to calculate this. इसको calculate करोगे आप, so answer will be what? 38 28,400. That will be your answer. Okay. Do we have this in the option? Yes. Option number A, 28,400 is the answer. Correct? Okay. I hope you understood this question. Let's try the next question.